A very quick update today. It's here. My first design is a commercially available MDF kit. So if you don't have or want a laser cutter, you can still get it anyway. Hello and welcome to the State of Play. A while back, I designed and made a fully modular terrain kit based on Eden Prime from Mass Effect. And well, since then I watched Foundation on Apple TV, and it turns out they have similar hab buildings too. On Terminus, I think the planet is called. Some of those habs had some great paint jobs to copy, so great sci-fi minds think alike. Or I just stole it completely. Quite a number of my patrons got to work cutting and making this terrain, but until now, if you didn't have access to a laser, all you could do was practice your envy face. But last year, I was contacted by a wonderful bloke, also called Will, which saves my aging memory, who asked if I fancied joining forces to make up the designs for real. Now, I expected the dude to live in another country, or at the very least many miles away, but as luck would have it, he literally lives 20 minutes down the road. So here we are, laser cut Eden Prime now available as a physical product in an actual real-life shop. Now, this is not my shop, so if you ask me customer services questions in the comments, I'm just going to respond with random quotes from The Lord of the Rings, just to be obnoxious. In case you can't be bothered to watch the rest of the video and just want to grab it, it's here, misfire.co.uk. The plan is to expand the available set over time to the other buildings if people want more. It's a little different to what you saw in my video because the full modularity of swappable parts I designed for you to cut if you owned a laser has been reduced to allow you to make a full building without a load of leftover parts. We were pretty sure you wouldn't want to pay for extra MDF parts that you wouldn't use. Now it'll arrive looking like this, neatly packaged in a small box with all the bits you'll need to make one large hab building. What comes in the kit is the building, and if you also watch my magnets video, those are also included for the end walls, and I believe they're now 5x3 magnet holes for ease. We also changed the way the numbers are added to buildings because etching in the number meant you were stuck with that number, or at least we'd have to provide all the numbered parts, which would have been a waste of MDF and extra cost to you. So instead we created a bunch of numbers on grey board for you to choose and glue on, depending on how or if you wanted to number a building. You'll get the risers, so you can have the building raised up or not. It comes with 2 sets of stairs and 2 sets of ladders, and with a bunch of decking. A long deck, a short deck, and a newly designed corner piece to connect the decking together. And all these have the grey board decking surface included. Now, this sadly can't be shipped to the US. I'm not really fully up on US import and export laws, but costs, taxes, duties and rules and the like make it a lot more difficult to do than Misfire would have liked. We haven't tried the Mexican border yet, but I hear even that's a bit more difficult these days. Probably why you guys get stuck with ridiculous prices for Games Workshop products. I'm sorry for that. If I ran Games Workshop, I'd personally let you just order from the UK, but hey, I'm not motivated by shareholders and, well, money. So for now, it's available in the UK and I believe Europe. It's best to check with Misfire. Okay, that's it for this quick video. I promised I'd let you guys know when this thing became available. Yeah, short and sweet. Remember, if you want any other recommended hobby stuff, you can find it on my website at thestateofplay.co.uk/kit. I'll link a bunch of things in the description box below for you. And that's the State of Play for today. I'll catch you guys soon.